Hi and welcome to this tutorial where we will walk through configuring the barcode settings for your ScanDroid. All the barcode settings can be found in an app on your ScanDroid called Scanner. So go ahead and go down to the app drawer and scroll for an app called Scanner. It'll have that barcode icon. Here on the landing screen is a field where you can test how your ScanDroid is scanning barcodes. I have a couple of test barcodes pulled up here, so let's go ahead and scan. We'll do that UPC-A and the UPC-E. And the first thing I'm noticing here is that we need to add a carriage return, which is a simulated enter key at the end of each scan. That way they will scan into each line. So let's go ahead and go to the settings. And this will be found under the additional content. We'll have an enter key. Okay, so let's go back to that content, hit the little broom to clear our field, and once again scan that UPC-A and the UPC-E. There, that's scanning a little better. Now there's a bunch of other settings you can try here. A really common use case is expanding that shorter UPC-E code to read as a UPC-A. So down there, we'll scroll down, get down into the barcode settings. And here's where you can enable or disable a wide variety of code styles being used. We're looking here specifically for the UPC-E. Select that. And here's the option to extend the barcode information to UPC-A. So we'll go back to our home page and scan that UPC-E. Look, there it's extended. Let's go ahead and clear that screen again. If you have any prefix or suffix characters that need to be added to your barcodes, that's also available here in the settings. Go ahead and append prefix and suffix. For example, if you needed a -S, go back to the test field, scan that UPC-E again, and you'll see that -S is now showing up. If you find for some reason your ScanDroid is often interpreting the same additional character, the prefix and suffix would be a great place to look. If you don't want anything to be there, let's go ahead and select what you have and delete it, hit OK. Occasionally, it is possible that the item you're scanning is not populating the data that you're expecting. An example of this that we saw is here on a common soup label. When we'd go to scan this UPC-A code, that number is nothing like what we expected. But it turns out there's this data matrix code here that the ScanDroid was picking up. If you find yourself running into this issue, it is possible to disable specific barcode types so your scanner is only picking up the information that you need. So for this case, we'll go to settings and go back down to barcode settings. Locate the data matrix, sometimes abbreviated as DM. Oh, there it is. Go ahead and disable that. We'll go back. Make a splash page. Scan the code again. And there, it's picking up the UPC code now. There's a lot of flexibility in the barcode settings on the ScanDroid, and the test field in the configuration app makes it easy to see how the device is interpreting the input. For more information on the ScanDroid device, modern mobile suite, or other New West Technology software, check out the New West Technologies YouTube channel or the website newwesttech.com.